Well, after his rough riding in Tampa, Anderson has gotten himself in trouble with the AMA. Finally, after his third round taking out people, or at least hitting somebody, he's been put on a 6-month probation, which his response to right here, RaceRex, who's my probation officer, quote, kind of cheeky, kind of, my quote is, my wonder is, I wonder how long that's going to last before he deletes it like he did the other calling Barsha a bitch thing, but we'll digress. And funny enough, speaking of Barsha, last year he was also put on probation for pretty much the same thing. So we do have a precedent, or whatever you want to call it, for what can now happen to Anderson for the rest of the year. Obviously, Barsha got probation last year. For his first time hitting somebody, he got a 3-point penalty and a $3,000 fine. And for his second time hitting somebody, he got a 10-point penalty. So for somebody like Anderson, who this year was supposed to be a title contender, this is not good for him. He, takes out Barsha in Tampa, at least, took out Barsha in the first lap. They both go down. It hurts both the races. Anderson ends up coming back to 6th, so still behind Tomac, still losing points to the people in front of him in the championship race. And it just makes life harder for himself. I mean, why take out somebody who has a history of being retaliatory or racing hard in general? And 2, if you're going to make yourself or try to make yourself a title contender, why would you put all that effort into a race? You get a good start, you're running in the top 10, 5, whatever it is, and then you take somebody else out and yourself, and then you're working all the way back from 12th, 13th, 14th, whatever you ended up falling to, just to get back up to 6th. Not even a good finish, but not even a great or well point-paying finish. No podium, no win, whatever. Again, still behind Tomac, so still losing points to the guy in first. And who knows? This is kind of one of those funny things that for a year where he should be a title contender, I don't understand this random, let's take Barsha out multiple times, let's call him a bitch on Instagram, then delete it because apparently failed to talk to him or somebody did. And then now this whole cheeky thing of like, well, who's my probation officer, blah, blah, blah. So we'll see. Obviously, we're very early in this year, and he's got a lot of rounds left to go. 1, for Barsha to retaliate to him, who knows? Or 2, just if he starts hitting other people, starts losing points left and right, it doesn't matter where he finishes if he's starting to lose points every single race just for hitting somebody. But in the comments down below, you tell me. Obviously, I know a lot of people hate Barsha. Oh, this is how he rides, he deserves it, whatever. Say that if you want, but in the comments below, you tell me. 1, is this a stupid decision? 2, do you think he deserved a penalty or not? 3, whatever you want to say. Again, you can just go down there and hate on Barsha like everybody does. Who cares? But as you're going down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do. Because playing the YouTube algorithm game, it helps me a lot, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.